teach you how to make a boat cover. This is how you measure it. So we make all our boat covers for center consoles. We make them in 2 pieces, starting in the middle. So we measure from the middle, right there. We're just measuring exactly where we're gonna make the hump. And we need 17 feet this direction. And 15 feet this direction. When you're 8 feet, 16 if you add them together. Then if you sew on the factory edge, you get it nice and wide on both sides. All your grain is the correct direction, and you don't use an entire another length of material. We used to cut them square once upon a time. Well, this is how we get the cutout for the boat cover. It's really pretty simple. We measure here, I got 41.5 inches. Take my boat cover. Take my center seam, we already know that's in the middle. I'm at 41.5, I'm gonna call 42, which gives me 21 in the middle. We're gonna go back 18 inches. Just my standard, I just go back 18 inches. And look at that, would you believe I was perfect? Then we need 21 inches in both directions. And we're working with fabric here, people. It's not an exact science. All right, now I want all the extra fabric I can get. So I come from over here and I just go diagonally to my point. All right, now I just kind of eyeball all this stuff. And I just find a nice little spot. I'm comfortable with it. Right there, it's looking pretty good. A little far over, gotta go inside a little bit.
I can see it.
If you need to change it, don't be scared. That's the whole point of doing it by hand. You can change it when you need to. What is going on here? This last pin's hard to get. Don't be scared to get it tight. All right, so the most important thing about getting a pattern for anything in the world, specifically about cover, the most important thing about getting a pattern is getting it stable and taut. Well, I came up with an ingenious way to do it on these center consoles. I take this, which we know we're going to cut it in the middle, so we know this is way forward of how much we need. I pull a screw out of the rub rail. I pull it tight. Not too tight, just taut, you know. Put the screw back in. Now, this sucker ain't going nowhere. There's no right or wrong way to do any of it. Just kind of got to look at it, use your eyes. I tell everybody, look at it with your eyes. And they look at me like I'm crazy, but like, seriously, look at it with your eyes. What do you see? So this thing's in my way. I want to make a nice cutout for that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a mark where the thing is. Pull the canvas out and look at it. I want my cutout to go this direction, which is kind of the tricky part. And then I just usually do this teardrop kind of look that I've been doing for years and years, with the skinny over here and fat over there. Like that. I mean, happy lady. No hay grande. And then I just kind of find some place under the rub rail here to stick it, so it doesn't move anymore. Again, you know, you want it taut. All right, now looking at it with your eyes, where's your problems? You got a problem here, you got a problem here, you got a problem here. So, very simply, pick the problem out. Doesn't really get any better than that. That's near perfect.
Ok, ahora estoy marcando las pinzas, haciendo las marcas para luego coserlas. Marco a la orilla de cada pinza que haya tomado para luego pasar a coserlas.